welcome back, Scentsy friends. So today I have a fun haul for you guys, and I'm not going to say little because it's not little, it's actually pretty big. So if you remember, we had several updates to the clearance. There were several flash sales, and I think they had like a spring summer special sale that they had. Well, yes, I went in, even though I'm in my fifth wheel, just because there were so many good deals on there. There were things like car bars, lots of single item Scentsy wax bars, and there were some bundles. I didn't really go in for the bundles. And then also some Scentsy Soaks, plus a few other things. So if you guys want to see what I scored, and I went in like 4 times, stick around. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the non-wax items first. And I think we're going to start off with the Scentsy Soaks because I need to get this stuff put away, and they're quite large and heavy and just taking up a bunch of space. So I don't have a bathtub in my fifth wheel. I do have a nice big shower, but I am going to save these for when we move to Alabama. We're moving there next month, and I wanted to have some Scentsy Soaks because these are my favorites, and they were cheap. They were like $6, so anytime I see them for that price, I stock up. So I picked up 3 watermelon tangerines, and these are fantastic. This is a great scent. It's a nice juicy watermelon with a bit of sweet tangerine. I love this one. This is so soft on my skin. One of my favorite things to put in my bathtub. I prefer this over just like plain Epsom salts. I just think they're softer on my skin, and I really enjoy them. I also picked up 3 Hibiscus pineapple, another scent that I love in the Scentsy Soak. Not so much my favorite in wax, but it's great in the Scentsy Soak. So picked up 3 of these, and again for $6. I think they're normally $12, although I've seen some limited time offering ones that were $18. So like, heck no, I get these when they're on sale. And then jeweled pomegranate, picked up 3 jeweled pomegranate as well. I just so excited. I hope to have a very luxurious bathtub when we move, so I'm so excited, and I wanted my Scentsy Soaks in. I scored them for $6 each. Okay, now let's move on to the car bars, and let me see if I can find them. Here they are. Again, these were super duper cheap. Picked up quite a few, and Scentsy doesn't make car bars anymore, so the only time you can get them is if you find them in a flash sale or in the clearance. And I picked up, let's see, I think I picked up 6. Yes, 6 Bonfire Beach. And I put the price on one of these. So I got these for $3.60 each. So not bad at all, especially when they are normally $6. So Bonfire Beach, love it. I feel like this scent does fairly well in my car. Car bars can vary on strength depending on the scent, and I think also the temperature. You know, if it's cooler, I think they last a little bit longer. If it's really hot, I think, you know, they can be a heavy hitter at first, but then I think they might fade a little bit more. But typically, I can get a couple weeks on average. Some scents longer, some scents a little less. It just kind of depends. This one was a fantastic deal. Luna. I picked up 6 Luna, and these were $1.80 each. So heck yeah. Needed to get those in my life. I love Luna. I love Luna in wax. Love it in the car bars. Love it in everything. So I'm super excited about that. I picked up 3 of the black raspberry vanilla. These were $3 each. So again, that's like half off. So fantastic deal. You know, I like black raspberry vanilla. Is it my favorite scent in the world? No, but I like it. And this is fairly strong in the car bars. And to round out the car bars, I picked up 3 pumpkin cinnamon swirl. Now I love the scent in wax, and this is actually a really good performer in the car bars. These were $3 and it's 60 cents each, so not bad at all. Anytime I find the car bars, I'm going to pick them up just because, again, it's the only time you can ever get them, and I actually do like them in my car. I know a lot of people like the pods in their car, but my car, the way it's designed, it doesn't really like hold the little mini fan. Whoop, I'm just dropping stuff everywhere. It doesn't hold the mini fan very well in my car, and so I don't like the pods. Plus I feel like, you know, I have to take them in and out. otherwise they'll melt. So yeah, I like the car bars for my car. Okay, next we're gonna talk about the fragrance flowers. Now, I'm so excited about these. This one is fragrance flower. It's the 3-pack one, or the 3-flower special one. I think this was from the Valentine's Day collection, and this is an Apricot Cloud. I want to say this was maybe like $16, something like that. It was significantly discounted. Let's see. Then I picked up, gosh, there's just so many freaking things in here. I picked up a vanilla bean buttercream and a Buttercup Belle. I don't know like which flower goes to which scent because I just kind of picked and chose what I could. This one is Santorini Blossoms. Now this is one that I added onto my order just because I was placing an order with a big huge flash sale that was going on. Let's see, I picked up a lemon lime fizz. Fantastic in wax and really, really nice. And I don't know, I got a mixture of like Buttercup Bells and I think the Dainty Daisy. I think I did like a combo of those. Let's see, so we're just gonna talk about the scents. Sunshine Mango. I like this one in the fragrance flower. It's okay in wax, but I think it does better in the fragrance flower personally. Oh my goodness, so many fragrance flowers, you guys. I love these. Bamboo Rainfall, Starburst Sky, and Amazon Rain. Is that it? I think that is, no, is it? Yeah. Oh, no, one more. Aloe Water and Cucumber. So I'm excited about these. I put these in my house when we were selling our house, in the bathrooms and in the kitchen, and my realtor loved them so much that she placed an order for some fragrance flowers for some of the houses that she's showing, because it's not like an obtrusively strong scent, but it's just enough to scent your space, a small space, and without being loud, obnoxious, just a nice, clean, fresh, pleasant scent. So now let's move on to my favorite part, and that is the wax. So this is a combination of like the clearance, the flash sales, and then a few bars I just threw in here and there so I wouldn't have to pay multiple shipping. So let's go ahead and dive on in. First one up is Red, White, and Berry Pie. I freaking love the scent. This is cherry, raspberry, and vanilla, and I scored these for $4.32. And one thing to note is during the flash sales and clearance, you can actually put 6 bars and it will take 10% off of your order, even off of the clearance or flash sale price. So that is fantastic. I wasn't aware of it until after I ordered, and I was like, heck yeah, that is an even better deal. So 12 Red, White, and Berry Pie. This one is a Scentsy Heartbreak for me. I really do wish that I had that one in my club still, but if it ever comes back, I will add it to my club, but at least for now, I am stocked up pretty well. Next up is another scent that I had never tried before, but when I read the notes, I was like, yes, I need this one in my life, and that is a Brown Sugar Praline, and these were $4.20, and I picked up 12. So, scent notes are pralines, brown sugar, and a dash of spice, and oh, I love this one so much. I've already warmed 1 bar just because I had to, and I think I actually prefer this one over Central Park Pralines. I know, shocker, but this one is so good. This is just such a sweet, delicious, decadent, rich scent. A beautiful gourmand. Not too sweet though. And when it's warming on the back end, I get almost like a chocolate or a coffee note, almost like a mocha. It is fabulous. I love this one. It's a good performer. I would really, really love to see this one come back for Bring Back My Bar. This one is amazing. It was before my time, so I was so excited to score 12 of these for such a great price. And that is one that I would definitely throw in my Scentsy Club if it were ever available. And next up is another Scentsy Heartbreak for me, and that is Pineapple Coconut Vanilla. I love this one. I don't know why I kicked it out of my club. I have major regrets, so hopefully this one will come back at some point. So this is coconut, pineapple, and blue fig, And I scored these for $3.85. Not too shabby. Oh, and I just love this one. So the coconut is a very creamy coconut, and then that blue fig just kind of comes in and just kind of, it just elevates the scent. It's such a beautiful, elegant, dusty, smooth coconut blue fig with a little tiny bit of floral, just a very touch of floral. It's fantastic. And then the pineapple just adds a little tiny bit of sweetness to the scent. I love this one. Would love to see this one come back for Bring Back My Bar voting. It's fantastic, and it's a great performer in my house. And then I wanted to try this one just because I didn't remember if I liked it or not. And spoiler alert, I like it. And that is Cashmere Pear. So this is white amber, Madagascar vanilla, silky pear, and warm ginger. And this was $3.78. And the warm ginger kind of scared me, but it's really beautiful. It's so beautiful, in fact, that I actually ordered 6 more bars that will be coming in another order because they were still in the clearance section. And this is fantastic. Yeah. It's creamy, it's a little sweet, it's a little spicy. It's just really, really pretty, very sophisticated type of scent. I think this will be great in the bedroom, so love it. Would love to see that one come back again for Bring Back My Bar voting. And then a couple one-offs. So this one is the new Lilo and Stitch. It's Aloha Adventure. And I love Angel 64 and Stitch 626. It's just some of my favorites. So this is sugared strawberry, pineapple, and raspberry. So I am a fruity girl, and I was so excited for this one. A beautiful pink colored wax. And yes, this is a very vibrant, tropical, fruity scent for sure. Smells very, very strong too. Wow. I get a lot of that really yummy, delicious pineapple on the bottom. I'd say on the top I get more of that like sugared strawberry and raspberry. Very fun scent. I love these. This almost gives me a little bit of like Kahika Hula vibes. It's not the same scent, but just like the tropical nature of it. It's just fantastic. I love this one. So I will be putting 1 bar into my quarterly club. I'm excited to give that one a warm. And then there were a few catalog scents that I wanted to try again just to see if I wanted to add them to club or not, because it was a long time since I've revisited these scents. And the first one is Coastal Sunset. I mean, it's been years since I've worn this one. This is creamy coconut, sandalwood, and amethyst amber. And it's a gorgeous purple colored wax. And yeah, this is really nice. This is a very creamy, again, sophisticated, elegant type of scent. You do get a lot of that sandalwood in the background, and the amethyst amber, it just kind of gives it a body care type of feel. But this is really nice. I was watching an Elizabeth Quinn video, and I was like, you know, I need to revisit Coastal Sunset, and I think I am gonna end up putting 1 bar into my Scentsy Club. To me, this is just like the perfect bedroom type of scent. And then another one that so many people have been talking about, and that's Barefoot Beach. Now, I have smelled this one when it first came out, but I wasn't loving it, so I wanted to try it again. This is Warm Sand, Sweet Coconut, Macadamia, and Island Driftwood. And yeah, I'm still not loving it, you guys. I don't know. I'm happy that everybody seems to really be enjoying this scent, but it's just not a me scent. Yeah, I have Sunshine and Tan Lines in my club, and I prefer that one a lot more than this one. So this one I'm not gonna club. It's not bad, it's just I feel like I have better scents that are like the same vibe. And then I wanted to try this one. I didn't get this scent of the month kit just because the notes scared me, but I did want to try 1 bar. And this is lemon, sugar, and sage. So the scent notes are Meyer lemon, blue sage, and sugar cane. And honestly, I like this better than I thought I would. Yeah, it's a lemon scent, but it's not like a vibrant lemon. It's almost like, it sounds bad, but I don't mean it in a bad way, like a dulled lemon with a little bit of earthiness. I think that's from the sage. It's nice. Not anything I'm gonna need to buy more of or club, but I did want to go ahead and give that one a try. So you guys, that is it. That is what I picked up in like the last few flash sales and clearance items that they've been really stocking very well. I don't know, did you guys pick anything up? I I didn't need any more wax, but I definitely wanted more wax, and I did need some more Scentsy Soaks because I am plumb out and I love them. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.